Did you know that glycolic acid is a powerhouse ingredient capable of transforming your skin? It's true. This extraordinary acid has the power to revitalize your complexion, and it's about to become your skin's new best friend. We've all been there, standing in front of the mirror, wishing we could erase those fine lines, dark spots, and uneven texture. The fear of making our skin worse often holds us back from trying new things. But what if I told you that exfoliation with glycolic acid could be the game changer your skin has been waiting for? It's time to put those worries to rest and discover the science behind achieving a radiant, youthful complexion. So get comfortable and let's discover how glycolic acid can help in making your skin tighter. But before we start, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, because by the end of this video, you will have all the knowledge to achieve a radiant, healthy skin, and you'll understand why exfoliation is a crucial step in any effective skincare routine and how glycolic acid can transform your complexion. So, let's begin. The magic of exfoliation. Exfoliation is an indispensable step in any results-driven skincare routine, and its primary purpose is to eliminate those stubborn dead skin cells that dull your complexion and make it look tired. Imagine it as a reset button for your skin, revealing a fresh, vibrant, and smooth canvas. Now, when we talk about exfoliation, there are two main approaches: physical and chemical. With physical exfoliation, you manually scrub away dead skin cells using tools like loofahs, washcloths, and exfoliating scrubs. While this method can be effective for gentle exfoliation, it may not provide the same level of precision and depth as chemical exfoliation. Chemical exfoliation, on the other hand, involves using specific acids that expertly break down the bonds between dead skin cells, allowing them to detach gently. This process occurs at a deeper level, prompting thorough and effective cell renewal. Glycolic acid, our star exfoliator for today, belongs to the family of chemical exfoliants and offers a multitude of benefits that we'll uncover shortly. Unveiling the power of glycolic acid. Glycolic acid, a superstar in the skincare world, is an alpha hydroxy acid, or AHA, derived from sugarcane. What sets it apart is its unique ability to penetrate deep into the layers of your skin, reaching beyond the surface. This is where glycolic acid works its magic. It dissolves the substances that bind dead skin cells together, gently exfoliating and encouraging a renewal process. As a result, it unveils brighter, healthier, and more youthful-looking skin. Now, let's delve into the specific benefits of glycolic acid. Firstly, it transforms skin's texture by smoothing out rough patches and refining the appearance of large pores. It does this by gently breaking down the buildup of dead skin cells and excess sebum that can make pores appear larger and the skin's texture uneven. With regular use, glycolic acid helps create a smooth, even canvas, making your complexion appear refined and radiant. Secondly, glycolic acid is a potent ally in the battle against aging. As we grow older, our skin's collagen production naturally declines, leading to the formation of fine lines, wrinkles, and a loss of elasticity. This is where glycolic acid steps in. It stimulates collagen production, enhancing the skin's structural support system. By boosting collagen levels, glycolic acid helps plump up the skin, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and improving overall skin firmness. It's as if your skin undergoes a natural lifting process, restoring a youthful and vibrant appearance. But that's not all. Glycolic acid is also renowned for its hydrating properties. It possesses the unique ability to attract moisture to the skin, ensuring it remains supple and dewy. This is especially beneficial for individuals with dry or dehydrated skin, as it helps improve the skin's overall hydration levels, resulting in a glowing and healthy-looking complexion. Additionally, glycolic acid is highly effective in combating acne. Its exfoliating properties work to unclog pores by breaking down the buildup of dead skin cells and excess oil. This prevents the formation of blackheads and whiteheads, reducing the frequency of breakouts. Glycolic acid also helps regulate sebum production, creating a balanced environment on the skin's surface, which is crucial for maintaining clear and blemish-free skin. 3 essential tips for incorporating glycolic acid. 1. Gradual introduction. When incorporating glycolic acid into your skincare routine, it's of utmost importance to take a slow and gradual approach. Begin by using a product with a lower concentration of glycolic acid, such as 5 or 7% once or twice a week. This allows your skin to acclimate to the ingredient, reducing the likelihood of irritation. as your skin builds tolerance, you can gradually increase the frequency of use and opt for products with higher concentrations. This method ensures that your skin adjusts healthily, preventing dryness and sensitivity. 2. Sun protection is paramount. One crucial consideration when using glycolic acid is the impact of sun exposure. Glycolic acid can render your skin more sensitive to the sun, so it's imperative to make sun protection a non-negotiable part of your routine. Always remember to wear a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30 when you plan to spend time outdoors. Look for sunscreens that offer protection against both UVA and UVB rays. This will safeguard your skin against premature aging and sun damage. Even if you primarily use glycolic acid at night, your skin will still be more photosensitive, so sunscreen should be an integral part of your daily routine. Reapply sunscreen every 2 hours, especially if you're engaging in outdoor activities or swimming, to ensure continuous protection. 3. Moisturize and heed your skin signals. Glycolic acid can sometimes lead to dryness, especially during the initial stages of use. This is a normal part of the exfoliation process as it expedites cell turnover. However, it's crucial to listen to your skin and provide it with ample moisture. After using glycolic acid, follow up with a hydrating moisturizer to seal in that hydration and support the skin's natural barrier function. If your skin feels dry, tight, or irritated, reduce the frequency of use and opt for gentler, more hydrating products until your skin recovers. Remember, everyone's skin is unique, and it's important to pay attention to how your skin responds. Adjust your routine as needed, ensuring that you provide your skin with the care it needs. With consistent and proper use, glycolic acid will help you achieve and maintain a radiant, healthy complexion. By following these essential tips, you'll be well on your way to incorporating glycolic acid into your skincare routine effectively and safely. Remember, the key is to listen to your skin and adjust as necessary. Your skin will thank you. Incorporating glycolic acid into your skincare routine is an exciting step towards achieving healthy, glowing skin. By understanding the science behind exfoliation and the benefits of glycolic acid, you can confidently embrace this powerful ingredient. Remember, start slowly, prioritize skin protection, and listen to your skin's needs when it comes to moisture. With consistent and proper use, glycolic acid will transform your complexion, leaving you with the radiant, youthful skin you desire. If you enjoyed this video and want more skincare secrets, tips, and tricks, be sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss a thing. Now, I want to hear from you. Let's get a discussion going in the comments. Have you tried glycolic acid? What were your results? Any favorite products or tips you want to share? Or maybe you have a skincare concern you'd like me to address in an upcoming video. Don't be shy. Your input helps our skincare community grow and learn together. Remember, your skin is unique, and finding what works best for you is key. Stay tuned for more skincare adventures, and let's continue on this journey towards achieving healthy, glowing skin. Also, don't forget to check out my other video, where I put the Vaseline and lemon for glowing skin trend to the test. Is it a skincare wonder or just a myth? You'll definitely want to see this video.